Water clarity is essential for safe and enjoyable swimming experience, and maintaining it requires a combination of proper filtration, chemical balance, and regular maintenance. Clear water not only looks inviting but also indicates that your pool is free from contaminants, algae, and debris. Welcome to MG Factor. In today's video, we will see how to install Frog Pool Mineral System, a revolutionary approach to pool maintenance that keep your water clean, clear, and silky smooth. The Frog system uses a combination of minerals and low level of chlorine to effectively kill bacteria and control algae, providing a more enjoyable swimming experience with less hassle. The system utilizes natural minerals like silver and copper to destroy bacteria and prevent algae growth. This means you can use up to 50% less chlorine than traditional system, reducing the harsh effect of chemicals on your skin, eyes, and hair. With the Frog system, maintenance your pool becomes easier. The pre-filled cartridges are simple to replace, and the system continuously dispenses the right amount of minerals and chlorine, ensuring the balance and the clean water with minimum effort. The combination of minerals and chlorine not only keeps your pool sanitized but also enhances water clarity, making your pool inviting and refreshing. By reducing chlorine use, the Frog system helps you save on chemical costs over time. Plus, the extended life of mineral cartridge keeps fewer replacements and more savings. If you are looking for a more natural, efficient, and user-friendly way to keep your pool in top shape, the Frog Mineral Pool System is a fantastic choice. Let's begin the installation process now. The system will be installed towards the return side of the pool filter. Before you start the process, ensure that your power line is turned off and your motor is not running. Also, you can install the plug inside the pool so that the water stops flowing in. Thank you so much for helping us reach 100 plus subscribers. Your support means the world to us, and we couldn't have done it without each and every one of you. We are thrilled to have you as part of our community, and we are committed to bringing in best content, tips, and DIY projects. Stay tuned for more exciting videos, and don't forget to leave your comments and suggestions. We love hearing from you. Thanks again for your support. Keep watching MG Factor. Water clarity is essential for a safe and enjoyable swimming experience, and maintaining it requires a combination of proper filtration, chemical balance, and regular maintenance. Clear water not only looks inviting, but also indicates that your pool is free from contaminants, algae, and debris. To achieve and maintain an optimal water clarity, here are some key points to consider. Ensure your pool's filtration system is working efficiently. Regularly clean or replace the filter as needed to remove particles and impurities from the water. Keep the chemical level in pool balanced. Regularly test the water for pH, chlorine, alkalinity, and calcium hardness. Adjust as necessary to maintain a healthy and clear pool. Skim the surface of pool daily to remove leaves, bugs, and other debris. Vacuum the pool floor and walls regularly to prevent the buildup of dirt and algae. The Frog mineral cartridge lasts for one season or 6 months, so you will have to replace it at the beginning of each season. Now once installed, you can remove the plug from inside of your pool and the ice will be placed away from the return so that the water circulates. Now turn on your return and your inlet. Set your pool frog in between, that's like 5. Just to start with, the very first time, turn on the pump and wait for overnight and you will see the magic next morning. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you enjoyed the content, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more great tips and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comment below. Until next time, stay safe and healthy and keep watching MG Factor.